Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with ClickBank step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with ClickBank, begin by creating an account. Visit the ClickBank website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email, and payment information. Once registered, log into your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Marketplace section to explore available products. Use the search bar and filters to find products relevant to your interests or niche. Analyze the product listings by checking the gravity score, which indicates popularity. Choose a product with a high gravity score to increase the chances of sales. Click on the product title to view more details, including the sales page and commission rate. To promote the product, click the Promote button to generate your unique affiliate link. Copy this link to use in your promotional content. Create a marketing strategy tailored to your audience. Decide which platforms to use for promotion, such as social media, blogs, or email. Write content that resonates with your target audience and integrates the affiliate link naturally. Consider creating a blog or website to provide valuable content and reviews of the products you promote. Utilize social media to share your content and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Join online communities or forums related to your niche to network and share your insights. Stay consistent with your promotional efforts and track your results. Analyze which strategies work best for you and adjust your approach accordingly. Implement email marketing to reach your audience directly and promote the products. Maintain an authentic voice to build trust with your audience. Continue to explore new products and trends on ClickBank to expand your offerings. Monitor your earnings and optimize your marketing strategies for better results. This systematic approach will help establish your affiliate marketing journey with ClickBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.